In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself unable to see certain rows in a Google Sheet, don't worry. You're just a few simple steps away from resolving the issue. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet and you notice some rows seem to be missing. Maybe you or someone else hid them accidentally. The good news is that unhiding these rows is a straightforward task. To start, open your Google Sheets document where the rows are hidden. You'll want to locate the rows before and after the hidden section. You can usually identify a hidden row by the small gap or the missing row numbers in your sheet. Now, to unhide them, move your cursor to the row number just above the hidden section. You'll notice a thick line running between the row numbers flanking the hidden rows. Click and drag down slightly on this thick line. If you get the position right, it will expand to reveal the rows that have been tucked away out of sight. But be gentle. This can be a bit sensitive. Don't worry if it seems a bit tricky at first. With a little practice, it'll become second nature. But what if you prefer using a menu-based approach? Well, there's another way to tackle this. Click on the highlighted area surrounding the hidden rows. This is usually quite subtle. Then navigate up to the View menu at the top of the screen. From there, you should see an option that says Hidden Rows. Simply click it, and all previously hidden rows in that section will reappear. Now, there are instances where you might want to unhide rows throughout an entire spreadsheet. If that's your case, you can select the whole sheet using the small box located at the intersection of the row numbers and column letters. Once everything's highlighted, look at the layer of options above the grid. This shows an overview of your spreadsheet, now including any previously concealed rows. One handy tip to keep in mind is to regularly check your Format menu for any additional row settings. Sometimes, rows can also be inadvertently hidden due to conditional formatting rules. Keep an eye out for any unusual formatting that may need adjustment. Finally, a word of advice. Keep a regular habit of labeling and organizing your sheets. This can save you from searching for concealed data during busy work sessions. And that's all there is to it. Unhiding rows, whether a few or many, is now at your fingertips. Getting familiar with these steps will ensure your work is always in view and nothing remains lost in the grid. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any more questions or need further insights on Google Sheets or other Google Workspace tools, feel free to drop a comment below or check out our other videos.